Hello, my name is Vaishali Ajbale, and today our topic is the plastic pollution. So what is pollution? Pollution is the contamination environment or qualitative or quantitative changes in the environment called the pollution. Then there are the different types of pollution, such as water pollution, soil pollution, sound pollution, air pollution, or plastic pollution. What is water pollution? Water pollution means from the industries and factories. The dirty water can be exit, and it can be mixing with the clean water, called the water pollution. Then the soil pollution, the wastage of the factories and industries can directly mix in the soil, called the soil pollution. Then then noise pollution. Pollution means the unwanted unwanted and disturbing sound, called the noise pollution. Then air pollution. Air pollution means the toxic gases and particles or qualitative or quantitative changes in the air, called the air pollution. Then plastic pollution. Plastic pollution is the accumulation of the plastic object or particles, called the plastic pollution. Plastic pollution affect on the animals or the human beings, or the land, rivers, and ocean can all be affected by the pollution. Then effect of the plastic pollution. Impact on wildlife, due to increasing of the plastic. The plastic cannot be decomposed, or it can be float in the rivers or ocean. Those water can be drink by the animals. It can be effect on the wildlife. Then the soil and land contamination. Soil and land contamination means the plastic cannot be decomposed, and it can be mixed with the soil, or by mixing in the soil or land. It can be decomposed from the plastic. It can be from the plastic. It can be mixing in the soil. So from this, the soil and land pollution can be increased. Then air pollution effect. Due to uses of the high amount of plastic, or when a plastic is burned, there are different types of chemical can be exit from this. The air pollution can be increased. Then the effect on environment. In the effect of environment, when we can use the plastic. We know that the plastic cannot be decomposed, or it can be it cannot be decomposed 100 years 100 years or many 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 years. So it can be also from this it can also be affect on the environment. Then the human health implication. uh, the plastic can be floating in the river or ocean. So it can be it cannot be decomposed. It cannot be decomposed. So those water can be drinking by the many people. From this the due to this water, it can be effect on the human health. Then the effect on human body for the absorption and accumulate the organs. So we know that due to mixing of the plastic due to mixing of the plastic in the water or soil. uh, uh, from the soil grows the many vegetables. From these vegetables, it can be affect on the human health. Then the types of plastic. There are three types of the plastic: microplastic, macroplastic, and the megaplastic. The microplastic size is the 20 mm. 20 mm means 20 mm means we can use the plastic polythenes such as the microplastic. Then the macroplastic and megaplastic. The microplastic and megaplastic means we can buy anything from the market in the polythene bags. Those plastic are the macroplastic and megaplastic. The macroplastic and the megaplastic can be used higher quantities in cities. If we buy anything, the shopkeeper giving the those polythenes or plastic. So those plastic are the macroplastic or the megaplastic. Then the reduction of the plastic pollution. First is the reduce the plastic mismanagement of the plastic waste. The plastic cannot be reduces. From this the plastic pollution can be increased. Then the encourage the recycle of the plastic goods. The plastic cannot be reduced, or the plastic cannot be reduced or recycled. Then the reduce the uses of the plastic. Reduce the uses of the plastic. Don't use the plastic. Then the structure of plastic. Structure of plastic means the polythene, which indicates the polymer of ethene. Then there are in structure of plastic, there are two different type: linear polyethylene, then the branch polyethylene. Then linear polythene means the linear structure formed by the carbon atoms and the hydrogen atoms. From the carbon atoms and hydrogen atoms, the linear structure can be formed. Then it is called the linear polythene. Then the polythene. Branch polythene means the branch structure of the carbon atoms and the hydrogen carbon atoms and the hydrogen atoms called the branch polythene. In the carbon atom there are many carbon atoms can be attached. So there is branch forming called the branch polythene. Then the plastic pollution can be can be increased day to day. So we need to try to don't use the plastic. There is no need, so don't use the plastic. Carry the cloth bag or many. Then reduce the use of the plastic bags. So there is no need, then do not use the plastic bags. Due to use of the plastic, it can be caused from this it can be impact on the many animals, environment, or many human beings, or many land or ocean or many rivers. So we know that when the animals can be drink the water. So sometimes the plastic also be going on the stomach. So from this the animal many animals can be dead, because the plastic cannot be decomposed. Then the impact on the environment means the we can use the we can use the plastic. So it can be from the plastic the harmful it can be harmful effect on the environment. So there is the plastic pollution can be increased, or it or effect on ocean. So in the ocean, we know if we going to anywhere, so we can use the plastic. So those plastic can be going to the river or ocean, or the plastic can be floating on the river or ocean. So those water can be going into the human bodies. From those water can be harmful effect on the human body. Then it can also effect on the river. Thank you.